Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV 1, and today I'm taking you on a tour of an Animal Kingdom Lodge standard room with a standard view. We hope you enjoy the video. Remember to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and leave a comment on the video. So here we are. We're in the room here, and you can see really well decorated. Lots of cool things around. Very neat African-inspired decorations, even the sunset there by the coffee maker. That's really cool. And you can see I got the room with the 2 queen-size beds. I love the headboards, they're really nice. Very ornate, very decorative. It's really cool. And the beds are plenty big and very well made, and they look very comfortable. Definitely be excited to check those out here in a minute. See some artwork on the wall there. It's very nice. You can see nice patterns on the curtains. I'll show you the balcony here in a little bit. So, table for 2. So if you have a little place to eat breakfast, and if you got 2 people, that's perfect. If you've got a family of 4, you can take turns eating. Nice sized TV. There's the new Resort TV where you just click on each park and get the hours that way. And then there's a nice dresser here. Again, very cool African styling there. I like the mirror too, that's nice, and the little light above it. And one thing here is there's a lot of USB chargers, that's nice. So you can even see this little nightstand on this side, that's a nice little extra touch. And you can see USB chargers right there, so just have to make sure you bring your cable, then you're good to go. And they're all over, and even over here by the TV, there's a few more chargers. So yeah, lots of places to charge your device. There's 2 there and 2 over there, so quite a few. And then there's more over here as well, so I think that's like at least 8 chargers, so that's nice. Let's take a look inside this wardrobe here. And you can see there's a safe, and even like a steamer or something. Place to hang your clothes. Very cool. And again, there's a Keurig here. And then you've got refrigerator, which is nice. It's very good. You can have milk for breakfast in the morning. We never ate breakfast out in the food courts or anything. We like to get to the parks quickly. So we'd have cereal here, and then we'd buy our milk, and we just have cereal in the room in the mornings. It was nice to have milk and be able to keep it cold. So here's the bathroom, 2 sinks. Nice little Hakuna Matata artwork here. And hello. I'm filming this on the day that we did our 40 ride challenge, but I figured I'd give you a tour of the room while we're here. Not even using a gimbal. So there you go. A shower, toilet, little shelf in there. Really nice. They do have the shampoo and conditioner and body wash in the big bottles there that you can't take along with you, so just so you know. So back out in the main room here, we'll go ahead and take a look at the balcony here at night, and then I'll show you another look at it in the morning, but I wanted to show you the room while it was all made up and nice and fresh. So outside here there's a nice balcony with a nice view, and it's very late, so no activity out here right now, but you can see it's a nice view of the pool. And again, this is your standard view. And if you're curious, the rate for this room with a 30% discount for annual pass holder was $358, so it's pretty good, honestly, for a deluxe resort like this. So I guess add 30% if you want the regular rate for the summer. And this is June, the evening of June 19th. So yeah, not the best view, but it's not a parking lot view either, so that's pretty nice actually. And out here, it's kind of hard to see in the dark. I'll show you in the morning too. There's a chair and a table. Good morning, everybody. Here is the view now during the day from our room. This is pretty cool. I think below us is one of the restaurants, maybe Sanaa or Boma, I'm not exactly sure, but still a pretty good view from here. It's not like it's a parking lot view or anything. Nice view of the pool area. and we're definitely by a restaurant because it smells really good. And here's a better look at the furniture on the balcony. The walls are nice and high, which is good if you've got little ones. You don't have to worry about them. But you can still see. And you can see a chair and a table on that side as well. Here's another wide angle look at the courtyard. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed this full room tour of an Animal Kingdom Lodge standard room with a standard view. Leave a comment, let us know what you thought, and also check out our awesome sponsors, MickeyTravels.com, as well as MickeyBlog.com for the latest Disney news and to book your next trip. Also, be sure to check out ResortTV1Homes.com if you want to find your dream home here in Central Florida. Just go to ResortTV1Homes.com and click on Contact Us. And finally, be sure to check out David's DVC Rentals, dvcrequest.com/TV, if you want to book a DVC resort just like this one for a fraction of the cost. This isn't a DVC room, but you could book a room here at the resort through David's DVC Rentals. Alright everybody, again, leave us a comment, let us know what you thought, and we'll see you in the next one. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.